Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Maybe get a lot of spam calls, or maybe have a specific person that you want to block. For that you need to go to your phone icon, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and now you can say caller ID and spam. First of all, see caller ID and spam, identify business and spam numbers, and filter spam calls, prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Sounds good. If we go back, we have blocked numbers here. You can say block calls from unidentified callers, and then you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. And you can also add a number here. So you can add the phone number, say block, and then it's listed here, and then this number can't reach out to you anymore. If you've done that, you probably have the option to unblock that number again, but that's just on the side. If you've done that, you can just go back, use your phone as normal, and hopefully enjoy the silence after none of those people are able to reach out to you anymore. So that's how you can block numbers on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.